We could use a little bit of rainfall. There will be some rain today. The problem is it doesn't come without a little pain, and the pain could be severe weather. So we start this early morning, and it's nice to see at least a glimpse of daylight out there. Of course, the price you pay for that is sunset at 5:40 in the afternoon, but changing the clocks does have its advantages for us here on Good Day, and you do see the clouds are starting to develop and fill in. They're not there yet. We're in the 70s. Keep in mind, average low temperature is 50. So we're running over 20 up to 25 degrees above normal. Got a south wind, pretty stiff south breeze, really nothing significant. There are some light showers developing out by Gun Barrel City and Kemp and Kaufman and Canton out to the east. Minimal shower activity this morning. Now, the rain totals from last night and yesterday, the 24 hours, really all the big stuff, the heavy rain, the soaking, some severe weather was up near the Red River. Gainesville, west of you, picked up 3-4 inches of rain. Here in the Metroplex, DFW got about a quarter inch. There were spots in Fort Worth and in Dallas that got a ½ inch to an inch, but not everybody got rain. And this morning, all we have is some Gulf streamers developing, basically these narrow little bands of showers coming up from the south. That'll happen as the morning goes on. So after 8, 9 o'clock, there'll be more of them, and then we keep our eyes on what's going on to the west of us. West of Wichita Falls and west of Abilene is our action. And the dew points are high, 70 degrees, which is a ton of moisture. The weather setup is as follows. We have a front. Here's our cold front just out here to the west of San Angelo. So this cold front's out there, and ahead of it, we've got this flow of moisture. We've had it for the last couple of days. You've been sweating because of all the high humidity levels. And then up in Oklahoma, we have a stalled front. Guess what? Another tornado warning just popped up around Oklahoma City. So at the low levels, we have extreme moisture. At the upper levels, you can see the snow around Albuquerque, and we have a low pressure area in New Mexico. And as this spins around, what it's doing is it splits the atmosphere over us. Part of the winds high above the ground go out of the south. Others go out of the southwest. That creates a divergence high above the ground, which sucks the air up from the ground. That's why you're seeing storms even before sunrise. This has nothing to do with heating. This is what we call dynamically driven. And because of the fact that we have a ton of low-level moisture, cloud bases are going to be low and can tap some wind shear. There is that tornado risk today, and it's certainly there. Higher risk is as you go into Oklahoma and right up along the Red River, our northern counties. There is a low tornado risk elsewhere. There is a risk that some of these storms will be rotating. They could produce high winds as well. So today, about, I would say, 3/4 of us get rain, maybe up to 80%. Tomorrow, it's down to 30%. Early in the morning, some showers, and then should be gone. Wednesday, 1 or 2 showers perk up, and then the next system comes at us Thursday, and Thursday and Friday, more showers, and another risk for active storms may be Friday. But the most active period today, bigger concern is noon to 5 in the Metroplex. Let me get out of the way so you can see the map. You live east of Dallas, there could be 2 separate rounds, 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock, starting 1, and then the main batch would be in the evening. And west of Fort Worth, this should all be out of here before 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, timing is still critical as we go towards noon. Certainly after 11 in the morning, we could see a couple of severe storms. Do expect the tornado watch to be somewhere at some point today, obviously Metroplex East. As we get into noon in the afternoon hours, you see the storms developing. Some of these will produce high winds and the tornado risk. Hail is a secondary concern. This isn't going to produce big swaths of damaging hail. And then we still see the storm risk continuing until at least the late evening hours. By midnight, it'll be all east of our viewing area and into East Texas. Still a little impulse, gives us some showers tomorrow, nothing severe. That'll be in the cooler area. It'll be in the 50s tomorrow morning, and voila, we get some sun by the afternoon and some dry air that you expect this time of the year. So upper 70s and humid today. The severe weather risk develops as we get closer to noon and into the afternoon. Tuesday, election day, morning showers give way to sunshine and 67. Wednesday, partly cloudy, just a low chance for a shower. And then Thursday and Friday, we are going to see some more showers and thunderstorms. Not severe Thursday, but could be strong Friday before we clear it out by the weekend, or at least dry it up.
All right, you can keep up with severe weather watches and warnings using the Fox 4 Weather app. The WAP also lets you watch live newscasts. You can watch them directly from your device. It's a QR code right there on your screen. Just scan it and then download the app for free.